I'm going to hand it over to Snehi then to wrap up how painful today's trading session has turned out to be. Snehi?
Well, Aisha, that's how you summed it up, and that's precisely the way to call today's market move. Painful is the word that I would go with as well. Take a look at what the Nifty has done today. A 1.1% cut coming in, 276 points lower. Struggling to even hold on to that 23,600 mark as of now is where the Nifty is. We did hover lower to the 23,500 marks, but slight uptick coming in from the day's lowest point as well. If we take a look at Sensex, however, that is also in tandem with what Nifty is doing. A 1% cut coming in from the Sensex as well. Nifty around 3 p.m. today had slipped below the 200 DMA on an intraday basis. The index was also below 200 DMA for the first time in 18 months. So very big and steep sell-off is what we have seen today. Now, a couple of factors could have dented the markets today. You also had, we've in fact seen 32 consecutive days of FII selling coming in. Along with that, the CPI numbers that came post-market yesterday were also much higher than what the street was expecting. So two reasons why the markets could be ailing today. Let's pull up the broader markets, take a look at what they are doing. And Nifty mid-cap and Nifty small cap cuts of more than 2.5% or roughly 2.5% each coming in for both of those indices. Very steep sell-off coming in the broader markets as well. Let's take a look at some sectoral gainers and losers, and well, there are no gainers today. All the sectors have ended in the red in today's trading session. You have Nifty PSU banks, that's been your top loser in today's trade. A 3% cut coming in on that front. You have PSB, Central Bank, UCO Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. All of these public sector banks have tanked sharply in today's trade. Nifty Realty is your next top sectoral loser. A roughly 3% cut coming in on that front as well. Metal, auto, media, bank, energy, pharma, IT, FMCG in that order. Nifty FMCG, however, is the least losing sector in today's gain. 0.5% cut roughly coming in on that front as well. But well, yes, in excess of 2% cuts coming in for Nifty Auto, Metal Realty and PSU Bank. Some quick gainers and losers then in today's trade. From the Nifty pack, you had Hero Motor, Hindalco, M&M, Tata Steel, Eicher and BEL that weighed on the Nifty today. However, Britannia, Tata Motors, HUL, NTPCs managed to hold on to whatever little shred of positivity that they could. But yes, lastly to notice, India VIX was up 4.5-5% today. We've crossed that 15 level on the India VIX. So that's also going to be another key metric to watch out for in tomorrow's trade. But yes, this is how we are shutting shop. A cut of more than 1% coming in on the benchmarks today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.